and got the school go say for my eye gonna play about the place. A police station is the last place you're gonna let you know.
Well, I know, Speedy. You just take a canto again. Alright. The crocodile say she called the brother a Mandeville. The crocodile say, favor, pick up yourself. Listen now, Speedy. Can you just take a to look while I remember sitting? The crocodile say she called Jayden, bigger brother.
Yeah, me hear that.
A Mandeville. And tell him to call Mandeville. Mr. T say, him pick up who me carry, me pick up the father, me pick up the bigger brother, and we head down to the police. Which one of them wanna do?
Yes.
The mother was supposed to go with Mr. T, say him, she called the bigger brother. Mr. T was supposed to go with the mother, say him pick up the bigger brother. Which one of them I choose?
See, those things something happen because if you look at why those missing normally by 6:30 him father about, him brother about. This is a meeting. Something just happen and just group up and a plan what to do because if you look at why those missing. And not even 6:30 yet, you don't got the station yet, and you call the father, you call the brother, everybody there ready to drive up and down go look for him. No. You know something happen. That's why we want to group up at that time. So you know something happen.
That's what I tell you, say. You see, when you sit down and a reason the case, it's so better. When you sit down and a reason the case, it's a lot better because you want me now. You see, when you just a little while, you know, you're right, you know. You want to just send him because the father don't live at the yard.
Yes, so what the group up at that time for? What the group up and they just missing? You know missing yet?
I pick them go pick up the father. Mr. T say I pick them go pick up the father because the father don't live at the yard. To him. Some beat him and some happened to him. And that's why Mr. T run got the police station figure talk what happened say if he can get to it. But him think about it and think say boy, if me talk my son will go to prison, there is no way them all believe say an accident and change his mind. Me not tell you how long you hear me been saying this. Say them know say if them come out come tell you say accident, me personally I say I lie them I tell I choose it to the baby. If them come out come tell you say accident and then me turn around and say something to the baby, me I say I lie them I tell. So you know what happen? Them know say especially the hyena knows say she's between a rock and a stone. That's why they try to cover up the thing.
Tiger, that's why the man there police station 6:30 bro. That give the time when the little boy just get hurt. Just about 5 o'clock, just saying get hurt about 5 o'clock, 5:30. Mr. T get panic, bro. Run got the police station because he want to go clear it. But when he got the police station, he realized he can't.
You know him do that, sir? You know him do right, sir? Speedy?
Yeah.
I try now. I try if it give that thing that him never come home. None of that, so no don't call it a yard for him and have nothing to do with it. At school, focus on the school. And it
no. First, me think Mr. T go there because it happened by accident, yeah? Them are licking.
Yeah,
so
man.
Mr. T go there. We try if he could have make a statement to clear up everything, but people are calling.
Clear up the yard.
Yes, but people are calling.
Try say them no have nothing to do with it. So no go start look for him. We no go look at school and look out the road. Cause he no come up and he left this morning. He no come home.
But we generally think Mr. T go there. We generally think Mr. T go for report it and change his mind. He get panic and pressure upon him. And when the mother call him, the sister call him, everybody call him and tell him say he can't report this. But me think he go for report it because it's not the little boy go for it. He go about so early.
No,
he
but
go
hear
for
this now.
report it.
Hear this now. Remember when Mr. T say no man, him say him pick up who him carry.
Yes.
Me pick up back. He said me pick up back who me carry. Me pick up the bigger brother and me pick up the father. And me head out to go Mandeville and we tap a Newport police station. Me going to go tell the police and they can't find me little grandnephew. And me want to tell them say missing the police. They say no. But look and come back. And Mr. T word that I quote it.
Yes.
And I want to tell us. Cause I mean bring that out to the public, you know. We never hear that public. I listen to the interview one day and I say, well, hold on, man. So how she got the hospital? 7:09 and Mr. T got the police station 6:30, 7:15. So I said then because she said when she reached at the hospital, she see mommy, daddy, and them are. And we all know say from Newport police station to go to Mandeville, it can take 30 minutes. So if Mr. T was there 6:30, right? He only have 39 minutes to get to the hospital, go in at the hospital.
And wait there. If little boy left school about 3:30, so if Mr. T go back at the hospital 6:30 and everybody at the hospital, why Mr. T or go back at the hospital and don't go to the house go pick him up and can't go to the hospital as well? Why everybody at the hospital and without him?
No, remember the girl. Alright, but hear this now. That's what I said. They said when Mr. T, we got myself divine, when Mr. T got the yard and can't find him, Speedy, see? And sound like the old crocodile, sound like say she never go at the station of Mr. T 6:30. That's how she sound. Right? And then I am saying this now. Right? I am saying this. If you, according to your daughter, never go to the police station with Mr. T at the 6:30, why then Mr. T never call you and tell you say, hey, Jayden, no come home now. You did tell come at the hospital today. You understand? You no do not come and check in. You no check nowhere. You just go in a room allegedly and turn back out and go straight to the police station. Nothing go so. Man, nothing don't go so.
But
nothing go so. I lie them and tell nothing go so.
As I just say something we bring back, the time we can't give account for. That is the timing when Mr. T and him alone did it just as he left school as well, before Mr. T go at the hospital for the daughter claims that you see Mr. T at the hospital, That put Mr. T at the house first as well. Because if you look at boy leave school about 3:30, that means saying they yard about 4 o'clock.
2:30, I think at 2:30.
Yeah, 2:30. That means they yard about 3:30. Where was Mr. T in that place at time?
And it's something that I try to explore as well. Because Mr. T said he drop off Jayden at the taxi stand and then go the other way for the job. Right?
Yeah.
So my question is this. What type of job Mr. T does, and does he be on this job all day?
When he finish his job. Yeah, when he finish his job, and what time he got to him yard before him go to the hospital. And there's something there. But Mr. T can't mention not like that about his time as well, He keep doing everybody's time.
This is Speedy. I show some of the things that we make about. I'm not put them on the media. Hear what? In the very beginning, when everybody used to say, Tammy, I came back on TikTok and I said, guys, don't follow this old Tammy rumor. It is a lie. It is a lie. Because the nurse at the hospital said, Tammy, what am I talking about? The Rasta girl was in the hospital with her mom. Her mother has a big terminal illness in the hospital. So that's how the hyena meet the girl coming in at the hospital. I know the two of them got the hospital. You hear me, I said to you?
Yeah.
The girl where everybody was talking about. I'm not talking about Kamisha, the old Jezebel. I'm talking about Tammy, the one with the T, for Thomas. That girl that was in the hospital with her mom, as her mom had a terminal illness. That's how the hyena and Tammy link up at the hospital. You get where I come from? But hear this now. They get it out of Mr. T mouth. Say, are the older brother take the hyena to the hospital? When you Russian and Roma are the bigger one. When they live in Spanish town. Him. And if I lie, they have Mr. T. I said. So if I lie, they have to go and talk to Mr. T about it. Mr. T state that is Russian bring the girl to the hospital.
You see, me I keep going back. My first instinct at this case, when me first see a first person me have as a guilty person before me start listen to the live them and so is Mr. T. It's Mr. T.
I'm first man.
And I need to go back to him. I find Mr. T, especially when him say about the little boy phone. And me I think say our 50-year-old man know about know about a little boy phone? Or why would he know about a little boy phone?
What did strike me? What strike me with the phone?
Yeah.
What strike? Dan? Dan,
Hello.
you say there with me?
Hello.
Hello.
The man there with me.
I'm in mute.
Mute.
Good evening, guys.
Blessings. Let me tell you the first strike. Let me tell you about the first strike we strike with Mr. T, Speedy. When Mr. T states, when we go home and check the phone lock. He put code on him. I don't know about them sitting there. May I say, him say a first farm Jayden in a blessings divine. Him say Jayden in a first farm and he can bring the phone to school. Now, if Jayden leave him phone back home, right? If Jayden leave him phone back home in the house. Now, when you go in at the house in the evening and look for Jayden and can't find him, why you go run to him phone? Because his phone can't tell you nothing. Yeah. His phone never at school with him. So why you going to him phone? It don't make sense.
Nothing frightened about it yet. Nobody know him missing yet. So nothing yet to get panic like that for check phone or anything.
When you are tell me, say, me go check him phone and he put code on it. If phone lock, he put code on it. Yeah, old man, me don't know about them sitting there. Hey, kick you forget your face.
Yeah. Me find him at the day, me find him nervous talking. That's why I said that man guilty. Cause I find him very nervous.
Tell everybody this.
And he make mistake. No one hear it.
Tell everybody this, Speedy.
Yo, and me alone.
Tell everybody this. Me say go back. No. Come and tell the people in live actually not listen.
He make mistake and say him pick up Jayden 130. But nobody listen.
No man.
No.
Me hear it. Cause first one him go.
Right.
He say 130, then him go back and say the 230. But when me I try to tell us say. And him say again, him say Jayden never send jump on the picnic foot.
Yeah.
In the same interview, he said Jayden never send jump on the picnic foot. So that means they may have conversation with Jayden about the foot, because he said Jayden never send jump on the picnic foot.
Yes. Proper.
You understand what I say? Alright. And me never trust him. Me I tell you, me never from the very beginning when me I talk, me tell you people say a theme head and everybody tell me say, now Mr. T, I say a theme head me want. And I'm gonna tell you something, Speedy. If you go back and play an interview, put in a 2 earpiece then. Put a 2 earpiece in your ears and turn your phone down to probably halfway and listen to him attack. And then wait till you hear him say, no, we can't defend him. Listen to him breathing. Listen to him breathing and him voice.
Yeah,
so, like a plane that take off and not come back down.
In panic, man. In panic like fuck, man. The man panic.
You hear me I say to you? You hear me I say to you, Speedy? Bro, he say anybody, not just Speedy. Go back and listen to Mr. T interview and listen to the part where him say, no, we can't defend her. And listen to right there, so. And listen further. Him voice get pinted.
Yeah.
Back up against the wall. In breath, listen to him breath, but you need to put in a 2 earpiece in your ears. Put in a 2 earpiece and turn your phone down to a level and tell me, and come back and tell me if I lie me, I tell.
It reminds me of Ian Huntley. You saw me see him first, I get the interview. The first thing run on my mind with him, it was Ian Huntley. Remember that guy in England? I think they beat him up in I think them somebody mashed him up in a prison a couple days ago. He go to Anna Live then say. Yeah.
I know a film, man.
Yes, well, for some reason, him run on my mind and me just, but to everybody are defend him. And when me just come out, I go on live first and me I say, just once man, and me I say, that man to me look like a pervert to me for a long time, but me not